Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Now, over the next few weeks and last week, we're going to be talking about fall protection, falls, and personal fall arrest systems today. Let's go ahead and get started in talking about personal fall arrest systems. Now, falls continue to be the leading cause of deaths in the construction industry. Too often, workers take chances, don't follow fall prevention policies and procedures, and put themselves at risk. Whether you measure the cost in terms of lives, pain, time, or money, we all pay a high price when someone falls. OSHA requires fall protection for construction workers who are exposed to vertical drops of 6 feet or more. A personal fall arrest system is one way to protect workers who are at heights. Let's discuss the 3 key components of a personal fall arrest system. Let's talk about Anchorage and Anchorage Connector. The anchorage is commonly referred to as the tie-off point. Examples include beams, columns, roof davits, and substantial pipes and posts, vertical or horizontal. Anchorages must support 5,000 pounds of force for each worker attached and must be high enough so that a fall occurs, the worker doesn't touch a lower level. An anchorage connector is used to attach the connecting device to the anchorage. Examples include a cross arm strap, a D-bolt, a hook anchor, or a beam anchor. Let's talk about connecting devices. The critical link that joins you to an anchorage point is a connecting device. Examples include shock absorbing lanyards, fall limiters, rope grabs, and self-retracting lifelines. Connecting devices come equipped with self-closing, self-locking snap hooks. These hooks take 2 motions to open and close in order to prevent you from accidentally rolling out and disconnecting from the anchorage point. Before you select the type and length of the connecting device, it's critical to calculate the minimum potential fall distance. Typically, if the fall distance is less than 18.5 feet, you must use a self-retracting lifeline or a fall limiter. When the distance is over 18.5 feet, you can use a shock absorbing lanyard, a self-retracting lifeline, or a fall limiter. Make sure your lanyard is short enough to catch you in case you fall. Now let's talk about the full body harness. The 3rd key component of the system is the one that you wear on your body. Body harnesses are designed to do 3 things: keep you from hitting the ground, minimize the impact forces of a fall on your body, and 3, allow you enough freedom of movement to perform your work. Full body harnesses are the only form of body wear acceptable for fall arrest. Full body harnesses come in all kinds of styles and sizes. Select yours based on the work that you will be doing and the working environment. Then learn how to put it on correctly. A fall arrest system is like a chain, only as strong as the weakest link. Make sure all the links are strong. As a final safety reminder, before using any fall arrest equipment, make a thorough inspection. Look for frayed materials or loose anchorage points. Your life may depend on the quality of your PPE. Alright boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day. And remember, I will see you in the field. Oh, forgot to turn the lights on. Hang on a minute. Little ambient lighting. All right, let's go ahead and get this party started. OSHA requires fall protection for construction workers who are exposed to vertical drops of 6 feet or more. A personal fall arrest system is one way to protect workers. Daggum that phone. Before using any fall arrest equipment, make a thorough inspection. Look for frayed material or loose anchorage points. Alrighty. Had a coughing fit and the darn phone went off, but I think I can edit that down. Thanks for watching. Stop recording.